Menteri Pembangunan Sosial Palestina, Sama Hamad, menegaskan proses rekonstruksi Gaza harus dipimpin oleh pihak Palestina melalui pemerintahan Palestina yang sah. Pernyataan tersebut disampaikan dalam pertemuan di sela-sela pertemuan Menteri Luar Negeri ASEAN ke-59 di Filipina. Hamad mengatakan pembangunan kembali Gaza harus menjaga persatuan wilayah Palestina, melindungi hak warga atas rumah dan tanah, serta menempatkan martabat masyarakat Palestina sebagai prioritas.
Acting Minister of State for Relief Affairs of Palestine
require the support of the international community. As such, the Philippines reiterates its support for CPAD's vision.
Thank you very much, Minister Samaha, for your opening remarks.
I would like to thank you all.
参加を心から歓迎いたします。
We have consistently supported the two-state solution, which remains the only viable path to a just and lasting peace, with Palestine and Israel coexisting side by side in peace and security. The Philippines shares the ever-growing concern of the international community over the humanitarian situation in Palestine. We renew our call for the unhampered delivery of humanitarian assistance and for full adherence by all parties to the international humanitarian law. The Philippines also recognizes the critical role of the UN Relief and Works Agency for Palestine refugees in the Near East in delivering basic services, including primary health care and education to those most in need.
We extend special appreciation to all countries that have recognized the State of Palestine, a political act grounded in justice and a reaffirmation that international law applies equally to all. We recorded in 2025 more than 13,000 settler violence attacks in 1 year, which means some villages in West Bank may face, in the daytime, twice attack from the settlers. Israel continues to withhold Palestinian clearance revenues, funds that legally belong to our people, undermining our ability to pay salaries, sustain services, and maintain our institutions. And let me be direct on that. Those who genuinely believe in a two-state solution must support the Palestinian Authority in Gaza, in West Bank. Without a functioning Palestinian government, there cannot be a viable two-state solution. We have launched a full national reform agenda, not to satisfy external expectations, but because our citizens demand and deserve a government that is transparent, efficient, and accountable. The reconstruction of Gaza and must be Palestinian-led under the legitimate Palestinian government and fully aligned with international law. It must protect the unity of Palestinian territory, prevent displacement, safeguard housing, land and property rights, and place the dignity of our people at the center. Also, we had the local elections in West Bank, almost 90% in the municipalities, but also we succeeded in doing it in Deir el-Balah in Gaza, so people practice their democratic rights.
昨年、第4回閣僚会合では、クアラルンプール行動計画を採択しました。二国家解決の実現には、パレスチナの自立が不可欠です。こうした観点から、この行動計画は人材育成や能力開発を主な協力の方法として明示をしております。パレスチナの自立した経済を後押しするため、民間部門の強化に取り組んでいることです。特に農業、貿易、観光、投資促進の分野で人材育成等を進めることは、支援に頼らない自立した経済を実現する観点から重要です。日本も多くのパートナー国とともに参画協力を実施しています。さらに最近では CPAD メンバー以外の第三国との協力、参画協力も見られ、これは支援の輪の一層の広がりを示す、歓迎すべき動きであると考えております。
And medicine cannot be taken for granted. We call
knowledge sharing and capacity building. As we begin this ministry,
jelajahi cara baru mendapatkan informasi. Download Metro TV Extend sekarang.